It is sparrow's fart in the morning, extremely early. Sun started to come up. It's the first time I've been filming, but we've been here about 20 minutes or so. And yeah, we're at one of the private lakes in the south of Germiston, and we are doing some bass fishing this morning. So really looking forward to it. As you can see, one beautiful sunshine coming up. We've got Rickers with us, Chick Push, and of course Johnny Jigs in the back there. So yeah, gonna do some fishing. Let's see how it goes. Time for some fly fishing. For those of you who don't know, TFO, Temple Fork Outfitters. This is the Axiom 6 weight by Lefty. We are about to put it to its test today for bass fishing. Guys, I must just tell you, I haven't done bass fishing for fly in an extremely long time. So this should be a real adventure. It's not very busy today, so that's the only reason I'm whipping it out. Normally there's a lot of carp fishermen here. It's not that easy to throw around a line. I'm going to fish it with a bit of floating line, out of interest, my bass lures. A couple of nice poppers, some streamers, some floaters, and obviously my other box I've got more of the woolly buggers and stuff which we'll throw today. Woohoo! Look at that. Just chill. First little bass on fly. Eating little cactus jack weighted woolly bugger. Very cool. Quite happy about that. It's the first time I caught a bass in a long time on a fly rod. Another one on. Yeehaw! Fly fishing is the choice for the day. Come on. Nice. That's fun. That's fun. Yeah. Nice little fish. And again on the little woolly bugger. Loving that. Loving that. There he goes. There he goes. Oh, coffee. I brought my net because I can't flip these boys with this flimsy rod. There's a tank. There's a little tank. Oh, what a beautiful beauty. We'll wait. Nice size, Annie. There we go.
Yeah, it's about 1.5 kilos.
Turn around.
Very nice.
Nice size, Mr. Chickpush. At least one of us is catching today. Hey?
That's number 6.
Aren't we special?
Haha.
Hold on a second, this is crap. There we go. Nice Chickpush. Very nice.
Inside the one.
That's beauty.
Where's that?
Hold on. There we go. Okay.
1 kilo.
1.04 for a henny. That, my friend, is a beautiful fish. Look at that. Well done, Henny. We saw in the... Yeah, so I've changed up the fly line. Just gotta get them deeper. Woohoo! Is he off? I think he is. Check out the size of this thing. Oh, look at that rod bending. Oh, big fish. Big fish from under the covers. Big fish from under the covers. I can't believe that. Fish on. Oh, look at that. That's great. Let that sit for a bit. Said I'll let that sit for a bit. Right on the scissors, but as you can see, quite easily straight out. Another one out the dust. Do. Nice and chilled. Yeehaw! And I'm recording. You know what? There's nothing like yeah, small but beautiful. There we go, guys. Nice one. in the lip here. He wasn't going anywhere, pinned nicely, and fishing on a kind of like a brown woolly bugger with a red flash. Nice little fish, quite happy about that. And as I said earlier, just a nice little temple fork outfit as Axiom 6 weight, and beautiful graze reel. So nice bit of fishing.
Not bad.
Not bad for a fly. Just let him go here. So guys, sorry I forgot to film an outro before I ran out of disk space yesterday, so just wanted to let you guys know and finish up the video. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm sure that you enjoyed it as much as I did. As mentioned during the video, I spent the first time fly fishing for probably a couple of years for bass. We do a lot of fly fishing for trout and tiger fish, but not so much for bass, so it was a nice little change, and really enjoyed myself. Total of 11 fish, 11 bass being caught, not one on a casting rod, but I suppose I never really put too much effort into it. I just really started to enjoy some of the fly fishing today. Again, just using a 6 weight TFO, graze reel with sinking line, and of course a woolly bugger. I started with black, tried to move over to a flash, slightly bigger one, didn't have any success with that, and moved back to a brown or a maroon woolly bugger with a bit of red flash, and picked up a lot more with that, with the sinking line versus the floating line that I started with. So really good day, and yeah, definitely not going to leave my fly rod behind next time. Any little bass or lake or quarry that we get to, I'll whip out the fly rod and throw a couple of things. I'm actually thinking about taking it to the flay, where there's a little bit more top water action, and maybe put some of those poppers on the top and pick up some bass then. So hopefully next video will be that. In the meantime, guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, please comment, please like, and I'll hopefully catch you guys in the next episode. Keep fishing.